Hi everyone, I'm gonna jump into this car, which is the first hydrogen car on the Canary Islands, and yeah, it's entirely powered by green energy. Oh my god, okay, this is like the future, literally. It's crazy. It's crazy easy to drive, it's just so silent, you don't hear a thing, and it's, you know, there's no emissions from it. It's literally no emissions, and it's totally made up out of seawater and green energy, so solar and wind power, you know, combined into hydrogen, and then you just drive this amazing car. It's crazy. It's absolutely beautiful.